there, I'm so excited to welcome you into our new office at Reset Nutrition. Come on in, check it out. So here we have Rachel's desk, and that's where she sits and handles every single thing possible under the sun. We usually have some sampling opportunities here. Right now we have some Simple Mills and some Reese's anti-flu shot, of course. And then we have our seating area, which is still in motion. We're looking for a little coffee table and a side table. And then come on with me. Oh, wait, don't forget our supplements. These are our supplements, all nice and neat and organized. So all of our products are there so people can come in and grab and go. Our shipping stuff over there. Everything has a home and a place. And of course, our patient of the month, which is very exciting. So come on into my office. So this is where I work, and I meet with clients here, and it's a great office. We love all the light that's here, and our table for palpations, and everything takes place here. Here's our jar of beads that we do for every time you lose weight. We get to put blue beads in for full pounders and brown for partial pounders. And then we have all the food that is good to eat, all fully RGN approved. So come on in. I want to just have you say hi to Rachel. So I'm going to grab the phone and say hi to Rachel.
Hi.
So come on in and visit us in our new location in Newport Beach. And if you're not local, feel free to give us a call. We're doing Zoom appointments for everyone all over the world, actually. But come on in if you're local.